I want to tell some pussy we say them a Queen Ifrica fan. I don't need you know as no blood clot fan.
Bless hello and greetings my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen line and line. I speak up on myself and only there well for love and blessings, you know. Yeah, man, I give thanks to life, you know what I mean? Life is the greatest, cherish each moment. You don't know the weekend is up on us, so we just want to stay good and stay safe, same. Yes, man, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, help the channel grow. Yeah, man, coming up in this episode of my viewers and subscribers, Queen Ifrica, lash out on some of my fans, them, I tell you that one, I couldn't stop laugh. You see me? And also, RT Boss, prophecy, fulfill came through, one of the prophecies, you know, and that is the Queen, RIP to the Queen, God save our Queen, you know what I mean, rest in peace. Yes, man, and also, veteran artists speak on some issues in Jamaica and address some Jamaican people and them, you know, double standard behavior. So, you don't know why Mr. One and a reason in there, you see me? It's very, very vital and vital, you see it? Yes, man, so you don't know the routine. We are forward after the break.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. I drop dice, we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot and ground in a shame for die.
Yes, man, my viewers and subscribers, not itching. So what you are going now with you don't know, Queen Ifrica first, see? Yeah, man.
TikTok gonna give me the right to tell some people to go suck them mother and love me alone now. It's like them are going like say me a angel or me a Mary or me a Jesus mother or something along that line. Every time I put up something, I've noticed say I not to watch negative comments, you know, but at the same time we are human. So I want to tell some say we say them a Queen Ifrica fan, we are follow just to criticize and talk fuck about me. I don't need you know as no blood clot fan. When you don't see me put up nothing, cut on no blood clot, yeah, I pass it and make the real people them we know we really are going enjoy the fact that you still have a Queen Ifrica in the music where I do something positive no matter what go on in a your personal life. So me I beg on my fans them, tell them so they back off of my page, love black themselves off of my page and love my page when I put up my stuff them because I not put it up for them. You understand what I say TikTok? Help me there.
Well, I mean, like, when I first say this, I tell you, I couldn't stop laughing. My viewers and subscribers, I nearly pop up. Yeah, Queen Ifrica, I tell you, Queen Ifrica, give it to them. Queen Ifrica, yo, social media. It's like, yeah, manage it, don't go on it, you know, because when the trolls are on the fake page, them start beating and bashing. Who feels it knows it, you know. Yeah, man, but differently still. I don't know what go on, something I go on personally, Queen Ifrica, as she state. Several times she make that statement, they say her personal life not good. You see me, so you don't know. Nobody is perfect, yeah. So me I say, yeah man, but we see Queen Ifrica has made a lot of changes in her life, like stop wearing the long clothes and them things and that. Which is right, you know, show up the body, yes. I can't go, we see her text it, you know, and I call the lady Ifrica. You see me? But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think of Queen Ifrica reaction and her fans them who are trouble her. You see me I say? Yeah man, so now next we move on to RT Boss. So RT Boss was on stage and he made a prophecy that the Queen, England should be get ready for start moon and January it came through. So this is what RT Boss
see what we want to put here. So tonight Mount Winford show that England get ready by now on 23. The big lady is leaving, London Bridge is falling. So morning in England. And the President Biden will not fulfill his term. So by next year out of office. Those are my predictions.
He will not
fulfill his term as President Biden.
Viewers and subscribers on the RT Boss say he predicted that the Queen, England should get ready for morning and the Queen gone, you know what I mean? So it came through and them say, no, President Biden. So we are waiting to see President Biden going to step down or losing term or what. So I say, well, let me know on the things still if you are a fan of RT Boss. But anyway, here the general officer now. And I mean, that big brand reason in it, and let me know if you agree with, you don't know, the veteran artist or once an artist, and I mean, yeah.
Yes, Lion. You see, Jamaican people, they need to understand themselves. And we've been preaching that for how long now. Remember, the ratings that Jamaica get throughout the world. We don't know why Jamaica can't use them opportunity and just go forth and make themselves be, and continue to be the one where people run to for solution. Because Jamaica have that on them hand. Remember, you know, at the continent, you know, the continent, Africa, state already say, you know, Africa is only Jamaica can free Africa, you know. Africa said that, you know, it's Jamaica can free Africa. The man who liberate Africa in a one stage, where him come from? And Jamaica, you know. Bob Marley, you know. The man who try again to do something again in Africa, and where him come from again? And Jamaica, you know. And remember this now. Jamaicans and all their singers and players of instrument. You see how them rated amongst the best over the world, but them still won't get what is due to them. Because why? We do things, but we don't value it. See? We don't value it. And because of how we behave, people can still listen to the reasoning and still act on what we're saying and what we're doing, but then watch what we as individuals do to ourselves and our own people. Look how much entertainer out there are, I'm not gonna call them so-called, some of them, I'm not gonna call them so-called, but look how much entertainer out there who preach gospel through music, but yet still, them involved in so much different bangarang, and yet still they are being loved by majority. Remember, artists get himself involved in a way he should have never get himself involved in. Them end up fire shut off at him. Artists end up now with them family and whosoever, and the artist's son could kill man. Artist's son gone to prison. And listen to what Jamaicans say. Jamaicans say free artist son because artists do good tune. You know say I joke that. You know say I joke that. Artist son must get free, you know. Because artists sing good tune. Then that's not a joke. Just imagine now the authority they just fall for that and say, okay, yeah, true man. Him father sing some nice song, man, I will love him father song them and things like that. We're gonna do everything for free him. Even though we find him guilty to kill the man still, but Trim father a big singer, and we love him father song them. We're gonna free him. That means Ziggy Marley and the rest of them can just go around and do anything they want to do. Criminally, illegally, and them are gonna get to it because why? Them father named Bob Marley, and them father sing good song where we like. These are some of the things that Jamaican need to sit down and look into. These are some of the things that Jamaican need to sit down and put a stand on and tell themselves, listen, no, we have to change our attitude towards our so-called artists them. Not because artists are the song where you like. Song don't have nothing to do with him crime when I do. It's me I say, so listen, no, put him song to the side. If him commit an offense or commit some form of crime, him have to go do him time. No song can save him. Because these are all Jamaican people that look on things, you know. When you look on the social media them and look on them comment, you know. And that you will see, you know. You see where people are comment and give praises to somebody who become victim of their own doings. See? And then I get all these kind of patronizing and all this kind of sympathy and all this kind of, you understand? Because why? Jamaica lack a whole heap of things. And that's why Jamaica will never, ever, ever, can never, ever be free. So how them are free in another country? Because Jamaica not free. Jamaica strap up. Card not tie up like a bunch of time or something like so. With the corruption from bottom to middle to top. So every Jamaican, no care how Christian minded they want to be, no care how much God they want to serve, no care how they want to do things the right, lawful way. It's like corruption so much it coming like a flood where it's coming from sea, and if you stand up anywhere nearby you must get wet. And at that region, you know how much good people there Jamaica still ready to bend them mind and get involved in a lawful activity because of so many different reasons. Survival, them have to live. Them can't take the cost of living no more, them can't take the poverty no more, them can't take this no more, them can't take that more. Look how much Jamaican Christian who can afford. But deep down, them a do so much things where themselves them realize them sin. All them know so them go to church today and them pray and them this and them that and them that and that, but them don't know. Me see, Pastor son. Charged with big gun. It's like a joke, brother.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.